This month, we are making some quick, easy and very tasty stir fries. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. A stir fry is a quick and easy way to make a tasty balanced meal with veggies and meats of your choice. This week, we are making a deliciously easy and quick chicken stir fry. For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's get cooking. The stir-fry sauce can be made ahead of time and stored in the fridge for whenever you want to quickly dish out the chicken stir-fry. So, that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and very tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.